So today we are driving the E63. So you can see, just do a quick little walk around, little POV video. Yeah, we're just chilling right now. Yeah, we're just riding out. Had a little doctor's appointment. So but yeah, so these are the intakes right here, as you can see. And like I said in the other video, I do have my downpipes, which I don't think you have to do is just take this off real quick. Take this off, and you see the downpipes looking beautiful as always. Heat shielded, heat wrapped. This motor creates a lot of heat, so you know, a lot of people, there's different options. These just clip on because these intakes were actually made for this. A lot of the other ones don't really, a lot of the other intakes aren't really made for the stock engine cover. So yeah, so we're just chilling, man. Do a little POV driving. I got the downpipes, got the exhaust, not the exhaust, but downpipes, got the intakes. I believe these are like 4 inches, and then it goes, I think, like 2.5 or 2 that goes into the turbos. So yeah, we just riding out. Yeah, the car's doing pretty good. Stage 2 should be making about 720 wheel, 710 wheel, which, you know, crank horsepower is about like 820. So yeah, it moves pretty good. So yeah, let's get this thing started. Go ride out. Got to go to Harbor Freight, get a little heat gun. Kind of, I want to try to fix some of this wrap, some of the wrap or whatever. So yeah, let's go get started. So on here, you can actually put this down to sport, and when you start it up, it like rev up, maybe pop a little bit, but it's like a, I kind of forget what it's called, but it's not like a regular start. So the valves are open, exhaust valves, hit it. So turn that down, I don't want any copyright. So yeah, different modes. So these modes, in this car, the modes actually work. The suspension actually does raise up. So yeah. So pops, crackles. So yeah, got pops, crackles, race mode. So yeah, car gets nasty, but yeah, we're just riding out. So right now it's in race mode. Yeah, car's in race mode. You got manual mode right here, which put in manual gears, or you can take it off there. But in sports, race mode, you have to do paddles. Sport Plus, you can have it in drive, or you can have it in manuals. So right now it's in race mode. So right now, I got my Gatorade on the floor. I was supposed to get the car washed today, but so yes sir. So we're trying these POV glasses out, try them out with this car, especially the MR2. I'm not sure exactly when I'm gonna take that car out, but we'll take it out. But yeah, just wanted to try a different camera. I think this is cool. You guys like the POV driving, as I always like the POV driving. But yeah, the car is cool. Got my draggy, Something different, you know what I'm saying? You can go BMW, but M5s aren't really, like, even at this power level, they're still 800 horsepower, 900 horsepower. Like, I don't know, they're kind of finicky. This car, I believe it's the M177 motor, is like pretty dope. It's pretty stout. Other things will happen to it, not the motor, but like I had to replace my coolant lines. Yeah. Anyway, we're back. Had a phone call, but yeah. So what's the plans for this weekend? The plans are Lamborghini Charlotte has their thing. We're gonna check that out. Check some Lamborghinis network. Say hi to some people. Ivan's supposed to bring his Audi R8, which is pretty much straight piped. So we get to see that, take a video of that. So that should be fun. And meet some other people and check out some cars. I was supposed to go to Rockingham 8th Mile to see what the car does in the 8th. Might do that, but probably we'll just go mountain biking instead. But yeah, the car is great. Stage 2 right now. I want to go stage 3. I'm looking at turbos. See what I want to do. You know, the car will be down for a while though. That's the only thing. So I might really wait till off season. You know, I'll probably wait till off season because you got to turn in your cores, which, you know, that, you know, you're talking, you know, 2 to 4 months of, you know, for the car to come back. You know, do I want to wait that long or whatever? I need to get some protein, but yeah, I'll wait. So yeah, so yeah, should be a fun weekend. We'll see. I'll probably go mountain biking anyway. I got a nice, pretty nice mountain bike. It's kind of like my therapy. Get my Larry June shit, you know what I mean? But yeah, the car is great. It's just different, you know what I'm saying? You can get an F80, you can get an M3, you know, but at the end of the day, bro, it's an inline 6. It's an inline 6. Can you make the new F80, I don't know, 1,000 horsepower, 1,200 horsepower? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? They're cool, but it's just that sound, man. That V8 sound is nothing like it. Like, I don't care if my car is 1,600 horsepower. Like, this car will probably be 1,200 wheel horsepower, bro. Like, with the baby seats in the back. Right? I mean, come on. Like, you know, if anything, I'll just build the MR2 also. The MR2 is 600 wheel right now. You know, the 6262 on that car can go up to what? I think 730 wheel on E. And you know, my MR2 weighs, so yeah, my MR2 weighs about 2,600 pounds. So it's fast as hell. I think I did 60 to 130 in like 6 seconds. So I mean, it's pretty quick. I think I get in the 5s. Only reason I didn't get into the 5s, I think I had the sunroof, I had the T-top back, and the windows down. So obviously aerodynamics. I think it's really a mid 5 seconds, 60 to 130 car, but it's quick. You know what I'm saying? So if anything, I'll just build that. But 1,200 horsepower. I mean, right now, like I said, it's sitting at 800 wheel. I mean, 800 crank, 820 crank horsepower. That's good horsepower. You know, in the car, it moves. It's all-wheel drive, so it moves. 0 to 60 right now, I'm only getting like, well, I'm not only, but 3 seconds, 310, 308. It's really, and it's been cold, but really, it's really a 2.8. 0 to 60 car. But the 8th mile, I should get low 6s. I believe, no, is it 8s? I think 7s. I think 7s in the 7s or something like that. I believe in the 7s or 6.5 in the 8th. It should get 6.5, I believe. But we'll see. Like I said, I don't know. I haven't really done 1/8 mile like that. I'd rather do the 1/4 mile, but the tracks are like a lot farther away. So yeah. But yeah, with the downpipes, you can definitely smell the fuel. You can definitely smell the, you know, you can definitely smell the 93 fuel for sure. It's not overly bad. Like I'm like suffocating in the car, but you can definitely smell. And honestly, man, having a fast car, bro, like in Charlotte or whatever, it's kind of what's the word? I mean, most times you're gonna be behind people. They're not gonna drive fast enough. It's kind of pointless. You know what I'm saying? It's not really, you know, it's not really all what you think it is. You know, because most people are gonna drive slow, and 99% of the time their car is not as fast. So we're gonna check out this Harbor Freight store. So yeah, shout out to DJ who wrapped the car. Did a really good job, good price. Most people trying to charge $4 grand, it's crazy. But yeah, so my strut actually went out. I had to replace this strut. That was like $1,000. And so I was kind of rubbing up in here. So I'm do my own little heated up. It's 3M, so it's good stuff. You know what I mean? So we are out of here. So that. So I'll get ready for the car show, and let's see what I want to do. So like I said, this is the routine, baby. Put this motherfucker down. Sport Plus is good. That's the exhaust valves. Auto stop start. South is going to fix this, so my tuner, so when I don't have to like hit this on and off. So yeah, so I always put mine in manual mode. And then listen to them bald eagles, baby. So you don't have to go to Germany to listen to exotics. Just come ride. Just come ride with your boy, you know what I mean? Well, I might take that way for you guys, actually. You know? Well, usually hit the back roads that way. Which is fun though, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, it's like he's going now. See now, that's what I'm saying. See, I'm saying it's no point. Like when you, like I said, when you have a fast car, when you got a fast car, it doesn't matter. It's like, see what I'm saying? I'm already on his ass. It's cool. You can hear the blow off valve real nice. Usually, put in 6. Hit a blow off valve. So yeah, for sure. It's usually yeah, it's definitely definitely a great car to drive. But like I'm saying, fast cars, traffic, it's not the best. But it's better than driving a manual car for sure. The MR2, traffic, I hate it. Yeah, you know, it's a twin disc clutch in the MR2. So, but anyway, and ooh, look at the 370Z with the Tome. Yeah, I used to have a Q50 also. Some of y'all may know. Or don't know, now you know. Yeah, I'm kind of done with that platform. 370Zs and all that stuff, they get quick, but the motor doesn't really like boost too long. Shout out to J-Rod, clean build, awesome build, but you know he's on his second, you know, whatever. So launch it. I think I redlined it then. But anyway, I'm saying, I'm not doing that. I'm not replacing motors and twice. I'm not doing that with these cars. Like, the car needs to be somewhat style. If I buy a car, it's honestly, it's better to I'm not gonna say that, because like the K20, and when you turbo those cars, I just feel like, you know, they hold boost a lot better, K20s, K24s, but the 350Zs, the VHRs, like everybody who has had one, everyone who has had one, they're just I might launch it. You want to launch it? All right. It's a rowdy one, but